Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I want to talk about this compost tumbler from F2C. I am so tired of watching my hard-worked compost pile go dormant every winter, so they have shared this with me so I can bring my compost pile inside, keep it alive and thriving all winter long. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this compost bin. The compost bin is surprisingly lightweight without losing the heavy-duty quality. It's easy to move, so you can find the best spot for it in your yard, garden, or home. I'm totally loving having access to my compost pile in my living space. This is a dual chamber tumbler. So you can see I have my compost in here, and then I have my brown matter in here. So I just take my kitchen scraps, my green matter, and add it to the tumbler. And then I add some of my brown matter that I've collected. You close your doors, slide those in, and then I like to give it a turn, and that is it. You can keep your compost pile alive all year round. It's made from BPA-free material and has a sturdy frame. It really has an aesthetically pleasing look and took less than 20 minutes to put together. The dual chamber feature is really my favorite part because I'm a creature of comfort and won't have to forage outside this winter for dry brown matter. It has just the right amount of ventilation holes, and their placement is unique because the holes don't allow for too much matter to fall out and make a mess. If you're looking for a high quality compost tumbler, check out F2C's compost tumbler. You and your garden will be so happy you did this. But that's just my point of view.